Struggling to add Intercom chat to your Namecheap site? I'll show you exactly where to click to get it working in under 5 minutes. We'll start in your Namecheap dashboard, then enable the Intercom integration with just a few clicks. No coding experience needed. First, head to your Namecheap website builder. You'll want to go to the main site maker area where you manage all your sites. This is the dashboard where you create and edit your websites. Go ahead and log into your Namecheap account and navigate to the Website Builder section. That's the starting point for everything we're about to do. Now, click on the site you want to edit. You should see a list of all the websites you've created. Find the one where you want Intercom Live Chat to appear and click on it. This will open the editor for that specific site. Just a single click there. Next, find and click the Integrations tab. It's usually on the left-hand sidebar or somewhere in the main editing menu. Look for the word Integrations. It might not be the first thing you see, but once you find it, click it. This is where Namecheap lets you connect third-party tools like Intercom. Scroll down to AI-powered customer service and click it. Now, this is the part that might throw people off. You're looking for Intercom, but what you'll actually see in the integrations list is an option called AI-powered customer service. That's the one. Click on it. This is the gateway to adding Intercom to your site. Now click Add Chat to your website with code to get the Intercom snippet. This will open up a new page or a pop-up from Intercom itself. This is the official setup process. Click that link, and Intercom will give you a small piece of code. This is the magic snippet that makes the chat widget appear on your site. Copy the code from Intercom's setup page. It looks like a long string of JavaScript. Highlight it all and copy it. Don't worry if it looks complicated. You don't need to understand what it means. You just need to copy it exactly as it appears. Go back to Namecheap and paste the code into the integration field. You should still have the Namecheap window open in another tab. Find the text box where it asks for the integration code. Paste the code you just copied from Intercom right into that field. This is the most critical step, so double-check that you've pasted the entire thing. Click Save to apply the changes. Find the Save button, which is usually right below or next to the code field. Click it. Namecheap will now take that code and apply it to your website. This might take a moment to process, so just give it a few seconds. Finally, visit your site to see the chat widget live. Open a new browser tab and go to your actual website address. You should see the Intercom chat bubble appear in the corner of your screen. Click on it. Test it out. Send yourself a test message. It should be working. And there you have it. From having no live chat on your Namecheap site to having Intercom fully integrated and ready to engage visitors. That whole process took us just a few minutes, and you did it all yourself. If you run into any issues, just double-check that you pasted the full code snippet correctly, because that's usually where things go wrong. Otherwise, you're all set. Thanks for watching.